temporary automatic perfection of a security interest in proceeds from the sale of
So
goods.
here's your scenario.
Here's your scenario. You have a party who has a security
in the goods
that serve as collateral for the loan
in the possession of the debtor.
and the debtor
sells
that property. There are rules about whether the security interest goes
but
with
in
the
many
property,
cases,
but in
it
many
does not.
cases,
So a purchaser
it
might
does
take
not.
the
So a
property
purchaser
free and
might
clear
take
the
the
security
property
interest.
free and
So
clear of the security
now
interest.
the debtor
has proceeds from that sale.
has
The secured
proceeds
party
from that sale.
still wants either to
secured
take
party
possession of those
still
proceeds,
wants
or to
either
have a
to take
security
possession of those
interest
proceeds,
in those proceeds,
or to have a security
for the interest
debt
that
in those
that is
proceeds
still outstanding,
for
because
the
they still want
debt
to be
that it's still
assured
that
still
in
outstanding,
the event
because
the
they
debtor
still want
doesn't
to be
pay
for that
assured
original
that
debt that
in
they
the
have
event the debtor doesn't
something
pay
that they can
for that original
take
debt
claim
that they have
possession of,
sale
something
to
that they
satisfy
can
that debt.
take
Now,
claim
how does
possession
this
of,
work?
sale
In the event
to
the
satisfy
debtor
that debt in possession of the
now,
collateral
so
sells it. They're going to receive
how does this
proceeds.
work?
Now,
Well,
if
in the event
the
the
proceeds that they
debtor in
received
possession of
was
the
not
collateral
cash,
sells it.
it was
They're gonna
actually
receive
similar
proceeds. Now,
types of goods, right?
if
a similar
the
type of good as
proceeds
what was
that
sold
they
received was not
then
cash.
the secured
it was,
party
actually similar types of goods,
perfection
right?
in that good.
A similar
If
type
it's
of
the
good
same
as what
type
was
of
sold
good
that was sold,
then the
and
secured
the
party
original financing
maintains
statement
covering the
perfection
goods
in
that were
that
sold.
good, if it's the
is
same
filed
type
in
of
the
good
appropriate office
that
in
was
place,
sold,
where you would
and
also
the
file a security
original
interest for the
financing
newly acquired
statement
goods
covering
so
the
that
goods
will
that were
continue to
sold
perfection past that
is filed in the
temporary window of
appropriate
20
office
days.
in place.
Now,
Where you
this
would
becomes
also
a real
file
issue when
security
money and
interest
it's
for the
spread
newly
between
acquired
multiple
goods.
accounts.
So basically, this
the
old
funds are
financing statement
used to
covers
pay other
the
debts, and
proceeds,
then more
the
money
new
comes
goods
in.
that are
If the
required.
funds get
So
too
that will continue
intermingled
to
or the property
perfection
gets
past
too
that
intermingled, so you
temporary
can't
window of
identify
20 days, you're no longer
Another
perfected. But as
situation
long
applies,
as you can perfect,
when you have
as long as you can identify those
proceeds,
proceeds,
that is, whether it's
temporary
cash or
perfection
property or whatever,
continues on
as
past
long
that
as you can
20-day
continue to
period.
identify
And then-
those proceeds
and then in the last
possession of
scenario,
the debtor sells
you
the
can
goods
claim an
and
interest in it.
receives
Now, this
goods
becomes a real issue when
as
it's money and
proceeds,
it's
right?
spread
It-
between multiple
and this
accounts.
is generally
or
the case
the
when it's
funds
a
are,
different type of
used
goods
to pay
or
other debts
you
and
had
more
never
money
filed
comes
a
in.
financing
If the funds
statement
get too
originally
intermingled or
on
the
the
property
original
gets too
goods sold,
intermingled,
that
so
is,
you
can't
had
identify it,
some type of
you're no
automatic
longer
perfection.
perfected. But as
or
long as you
had
can
some
perfect,
other method,
as long as you can
perfection,
identify those
but
proceeds,
so the
your
goods are sold, and then you
temporary
receive
perfection
proceeds that are
continues on
another
past that
form of
20
good, where you can
day
always
period.
file a
And then,
financing statement within that 20-day
and then in the last
window.
scenario, if you
On the new goods
you
received, and
sell
then
the debtor sells the goods
the
and
perfected
receives
security interest past
goods
the 20-day
as
window
proceeds,
and
right?
And this
Postdates
is
it.
generally
So
the case
your
when it's a
security
different type
interest
of
continues
goods
to run
or
from the
date of
you had
perfection
never
of the
filed a
original
financing
security interest
statement
on the sold
originally
property
on